This is an introduction video about DS3231 RTC module which I am going to use in LED clock building. There are 6 pins, but I am using only 4 pins for this purpose. Connect ground pin of the module to the ground of Arduino, and connect VCC pin of the module to the Arduino 5V pin. Then connect SDA pin of the module to the Arduino analog pin number 4 and the SCL pin of the module to the Arduino analog pin number 5. Now the wiring part is over. You can test the module with serial monitor. Before that, you have to download the DS3231 library. The link to download is given below. Once the zip file is downloaded, open the Arduino software and go to Sketch, include library, then add zip library. From the opened window, navigate the location of the library zip file is downloaded and select the file NADD. Library is now added. Download the code from the link given below and upload to the Arduino. After the code is uploaded, you can open the serial monitor to check the time. Study the program as you need to work with this in future as well. I hope you understand the basics about the DS3231 RTC module. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay with SetNFix.